The Amazon rainforest is disappearing day by day. Deforestation is the large-scale clearing of forests for agriculture, logging, and urbanization. Deforestation destroys habitats, pushing species toward extinction. Over 10% of Amazon wildlife is at risk. The Amazon absorbs vast amounts of CO2. Cutting it down accelerates climate change. Deforestation displaces indigenous communities and destroys their way of life. Display hopeful visuals of reforestation or people planting trees. We can still make a difference. Support conservation efforts and sustainable practices today.